Let me ask you something. You got a bad habit, huh? Living your life like a savage, partying every day, talking about living it up. And now you got a health problem, and now you're going through phases where you got an addiction and everything. Watch this video real fast, so we're going to discuss about it, okay? For you to amplify your life, you need to get rid of bad habits, you guys. Smoking, drinking, partying, sexual intercourse with different people, drain your energy. You need to keep your energy for you to keep going in life. You understand it? Now it's very important. Do things in moderation. Don't do things with obsession. That'll make you go crazy. Okay. Now today's topic is just I want to explain to you guys to get rid of bad habit, because every day in your life there's room for growth. There's new opportunity to make yourself a greater you, and that's what I want to put out there. And I want you guys to know that you can't change it within a day, because it takes time and process. Well, if you quit smoking like cold turkey, some people can do it and some can't. Like I quit smoking cold turkey, to be honest with you, and I'm gonna make a video about that later. How I quit. I just stopped hanging around people that smoke and party. I would say it's just that simple, but it is just that simple. It's all in your head, man. Your mentality is what makes you strong. Okay, so when you have a strong mindset, nothing or no one can ever tell you anything, and you don't need a validation from anybody. Okay, now I wanted to make this video because I have friends that go through situations where they're addicted to drugs, addicted to alcohol, they're addicted to so many things because they're so used to being around it. If you're so used to being around bad habit, go to a new, like I always say, go to a new habitat where you're not used to, but it's something good. It's gonna make you a better person. Take some classes, go see a therapy, do something different where you don't have to be around that environment anymore. Okay, that's one of the reasons why I quit smoking and I drink in moderation. Now I was partying like crazy, like there's no tomorrow, turn up non-stop, and then had a health condition where I had to slow down. I'm going to talk about that later on in the video because I'm not comfortable talking about it yet. But I want to let you guys know, because my channel, I want to be transparent with you guys. I want to let you guys know everything about me and how I was inspired to just make a positive change in my life. Okay, now I want to inspire you guys to that as well. Going what I've been through and seeing all the negativity and people doubting me, making me feel bad, bullying me and all this stuff, and me fighting, getting over it, phases and stuff like that, to the point where I never loved myself, to the point where I loved myself. You understand that? So try to take it day by day, and you will make it. Just don't give up. Even if a certain day where you just can't fight the temptation and you fell for it, don't be discouraged, because count those other days that you wasn't doing it. Okay, whether it's drugs, whether it's alcohol, whatever it is, right? Just try your best, take your time, and eventually you'll get where you need to be. But as long as your heart is pure and you got pure intention to make yourself better and to make that change, you will change. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspired family. When we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go. Catch you guys next time, man. One love, y'all. Peace.